is so hard. I have been off of YouTube. I haven't posted in about a year, and I feel weird talking to a camera. I waited till the house was empty because I already feel weird. Why is that weird? That's weird, right? That you guys feel weird if you do it too, right? Talking to a camera or like you're talking to yourself. So I've been dreading this. I've been dreading this video, but I wanna come back to YouTube. I miss it. I miss making videos and doing art. Like I said, I've been gone about a year. I've still been doing art, but just not filming it, and so I'm kind of out of the habit of doing it and talking to the camera. I'm kind of nervous still. I don't really have much for you guys to look at in terms of a background, so I'm filming from my iPad. I kind of like an upward angle looking down, so it might be a kind of weird angle. My hair is kind of a mess, but I wanted to be able to see myself. But I put it so you can see my beautiful rug. I love this rug. I love it. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna try to be back. I'm gonna try to post more regularly. I'm hoping for a video a week, but I don't want to pressure myself right away to doing that in case I can't keep up with it. But I'm just gonna try to do what I can. I have a couple of videos, like I said, about redoing this room and making it a studio. So those will probably be up after this video, but I needed this video to come up first to let you guys know that I'm gonna try to be back and try to post more, and I'm excited. I have ideas and stuff that I want to do. It was just 4th of July yesterday, so I went with my family and some friends and went and saw the fireworks at a local pier here. I can probably throw in a video and show you that. They were really good. So I've been mostly busy just working on this room. I saw that we hit 500 subscribers while I was gone. I still kept an eye on my channel, and I'm always watching videos on YouTube. So I didn't disappear totally. I guess I just kind of took a break. I went through some personal stuff. I moved. So I saw we hit 500, so thank you for all those subscribers who are watching this video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. I am Jessica, and I have a studio now. I'm so excited to have a studio, and maybe I can do studio vlogs because that's the fun thing to watch on YouTube. Studio vlogs, I love watching them myself from everybody. I can't wait to do a studio tour when it's completed. So I'll probably have videos of me redoing the studio first, redoing it, decorating it, moving some stuff in, and then once that's complete, because I'm moving stuff in, but they're probably not gonna stay in the same spot. I'm probably gonna rearrange it once everything's in here. And then I'll do a studio tour as a finish. So I can't wait for that. I love watching studio tours so much. I guess my goals are, I'm gonna try to post every week. I'm gonna really try. And I'm really hoping to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know I'm already halfway through the year, and without doing anything and just coming back, it might be a slow start, but that's what I would really hope for, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I think that's all I really wanted to say in this video. I hope you're excited, because I'm excited. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!